Are you running a business on Facebook and wasting hours sending messages manually? Want to reach hundreds of leads at once without getting your account blocked? Hi, I'm Hwang Mamba Tools, a marketing automation expert, and in this video, I'll show you how to use the Mass Auto Message feature in MKT Care to boost your productivity and sales effortlessly. Let me guess, you've been facing at least one of these issues. You have a list of leads but no time to message them one by one. Facebook limits your actions and flags fast messaging as spam. You struggle to follow up with old customers. Manual messaging is time-consuming and inefficient. If this sounds like you, then MKT Care is the tool you need. The Mass Auto Message function in MKT Care lets you A. Automatically send messages to hundreds of Facebook friends, B. Personalize each message with name, gender, or other custom tags, C. Schedule messages with delays to avoid spam filters, D. Track who received, who replied, and who to follow up with, E. Manage multiple Facebook accounts at once. Just 6 steps, you can run the function. Step 1. Open MKT Care. Step 2. Choose your Facebook account. Step 3. Select the list of UID profile to message. Step 4. Choose your message you had set in Content Management. Step 5. Set time intervals between each message and how many accounts send message to and how many each UID profile sends from. Step 6. Click Start. The software now starts sending messages automatically, just like a real person, and avoids detection by Facebook. With Send Mass Message on Facebook by MKT Care, you can send mass messages without risking checkpoints, personalize messages, get higher reply rates, save hours for your sales or support team, re-engage old customers and convert leads, monitor your campaign performance inside the software. Want to turn your Facebook into a fully automated sales machine? Start using the Mass Auto Message feature in MKT Care today. Click the link below in the description for a free demo or contact us on Telegram or WhatsApp. And my video ends here. Thank you everyone for attending today's broadcast. If you find it interesting, please leave me a like, a share, a subscribe. See you all in the next video.